The Line Tamer from McElroy Manufacturing Incorporated brings entirely new levels of efficiency and safety to the operations associated with the laying of polyethylene pipe. Simplicity of design, ease of operation, and the high quality of construction all combine to make this unit extremely effective under a wide variety of operating conditions and terrain. By using the McElroy Line Tamer, polyethylene pipe can be rapidly installed in the field directly from uninterrupted coils of up to 1,000 feet, instead of having to use the more typical 40-foot sections of straight pipe. The Line Tamer straightens and then re-rounds coils of 3-inch, 4-inch, 5-inch, and 6-inch IPS PE pipe. It effectively removes the strong tendency to twist or recoil that has, to this point, prevented long-length coiled pipe from gaining acceptance for many field applications. When such pipe emerges from the Line Tamer, it remains straight and is easy to handle by the pipeline crew. The Line Tamer is trailer-mounted and comes equipped with the following as standard features: battery-powered 12-volt hydraulic controls for the setting of straightening and rounding pressures, integrated toolbox, battery switch control light, already installed 4 to 6-inch IPS PE pipe roller set. The trailer, gross vehicle weight rated at 2,680 pounds, has a Pintle-I coupler, swivel jack, ST 205 75R14 tires, and DOT required lights and reflectors. The surge brakes required in some states can be purchased as an option, as can a ball-type hitch. Other available options include a 3-inch to 4-inch IPS PE roller set and a 12-volt battery. The process through which the Line Tamer converts coiled pipe into a single straight length uses levels of carefully calibrated and applied force to physically stress the pipe. When the pipe is fed off of its coil or roll, it goes directly into the Line Tamer through the front entry port and passes into the straightening rollers. These rollers use hydraulic pressure to bend the pipe by pushing it against the coil direction. In this way, it removes the memory that causes coiled PE pipe to recoil, sometimes dangerously, when not under some degree of restraint. It is this tendency to snap back into its coiled form that has made these sizes of PE pipe so difficult for personnel to handle in the field. With the coil set removed by the Line Tamer, the pipe will remain straight and exhibit no tendency to recoil itself. After coming out of the straightening rollers, the pipe is fed directly into hydraulically operated re-rounding rollers. The pipe then exits from the back of the machine. Pipe that has been treated by the McElroy Line Tamer fully meets or is better than ASTM 2513 ovality and out-of-roundness requirements. The large coils of PE pipe with lengths of up to 1,000 feet currently available can most efficiently be loaded into the Line Tamer using an auxiliary trailer. There are a number of trailers available that can safely contain the coil of pipe, position it, and then retain it in that position as the pipe is fed off of the roll and into the Line Tamer. This particular trailer, available from Sweetwater Metal Products, uses hydraulics to pick up the reel-mounted coils. Because of the equipment's design, only a small crew is needed to load a coil of pipe onto the trailer, and once the pipe is loaded, the entire straightening operation can be handled by a crew of 3. This includes an operator at the Line Tamer's pressure controls and a driver for the equipment. While speed and efficiency will of course increase as the crew's experience grows, actual field operations can generally commence after only 30 to 45 minutes of instruction. Pipe laying operations using the Line Tamer can be undertaken in 2 ways, depending upon the terrain involved and the operator's preference. One method involves anchoring the pipe, usually with a pulling head and strap, and then having the Line Tamer trailer combination pulled along the pipeline route. In the second method, the Line Tamer trailer pair remains stationary, and the pipe is pulled through the machine, again using a pulling head and strap combination. The Line Tamer is small enough to fit onto a coil trailer. It can then be used to transport the Line Tamer over the road and between job sites. However, the Line Tamer itself can be towed behind a vehicle. The major and most obvious benefits derived from using long-length coiled PE pipe and the Line Tamer are the considerable cost savings realized because of the speed with which a particular job can be completed. The LINETAMER and its small crew can easily lay 1,000 feet of pipe in 20 minutes, and only 2 fusions are required to connect it to other sections. In comparison, when straight pipe is used, it typically comes in 40-foot lengths, and it will take a larger crew to lay 1,000 feet over the same terrain, and from 25 to 27 fusions would be required. The cost savings derived from this differential are so great that it is actually possible to recover the machine's cost after only 1 full day of operation. The increased speed with which a pipeline can be laid and covered also means less inconvenience for any residents in the area of operations, less time that a trench remains open with its potential for injury or caving, and improved public relations. Basic crew training for operation of the LINETAMER can be secured through McElroy's experienced technical staff at the company's Tulsa Technical Center or at a location of the customer's choice. The LINETAMER is just the latest in a continuing number of innovations for the construction of polyethylene pipelines brought into production by McElroy Manufacturing Incorporated. This machine continues to establish McElroy as the leader by design.